happening? When you are giving the training, obviously what is happening? Data is used actually, right? Now, whenever you are using this data for that training of that machine and all that thing, and you have seen that many of the creators have already filed case against that applications of AI probably, and they are like and you know that in OpenAI when we are talking about the bigger players in that are that big, we can say the big five, especially Tesla was also there in the starting, but later that Elon Musk has taken, he is like came out of that, but still like they are trying. Mark Zuckerberg is trying or they are working on this particular domain. OpenAI, obviously Sam Altman and Microsoft is there active. Google may come into the picture because search engine platform is and then we are like very used to Google. So this is the scenario considering AI.